Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Chevy's 1981 to 1987 CK10. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift up your vehicle. Remove your cab mount's bolt and bushing. Cut out the existing rivets retaining your factory rear cab mount and remove your cab mount. Then, grind the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Step 3. Hold your replacement rear cab mount up to the frame and insert the included hardware to hold your part in place. Using a 14mm socket and 15mm wrench, tighten the bolts and nuts retaining your rear cab mount. Finally, paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Reinstall your cab mounts, bolt, and bushing. Then you're done!